Tired of struggling to show someone what's happening on your iPhone? Today, I'll show you how to screen record on your iPhone, which is perfect for creating tutorials, recording gameplay, or documenting those tech support moments. First, we'll need to make sure screen recording is enabled in your control center, so navigate to your iPhone settings app. Now, scroll down until you see Control Center and tap it. Here, you'll see two sections: Included Controls and More Controls. The Included Controls section shows which features you can access right from your control center. Scroll down to the More Controls section and look for screen recording. If you don't see it in the Included Controls, it will be in More Controls. Tap the green plus sign next to Screen Recording to add it to your Included Controls. Great. Now, let's start recording. From any screen on your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for the screen recording icon. It's a circle inside another circle. Tap it. You'll see a 321 countdown on your screen. After the countdown disappears, your iPhone is recording everything you do. Go ahead and demonstrate whatever you want to capture. It could be a new app feature, a game level, or a tricky setting you're trying to explain. When you're finished recording, tap the red status bar at the top of your screen. A prompt will appear asking if you want to stop the screen recording. Tap Stop. Your screen recording is now saved to your Photos app. Open Photos, and you'll find your recording ready to be shared or edited. That's it. Now you can record anything on your iPhone screen with ease.